Hello everyone, Nadeem here with PC.Solutions.Net. So today we're going to talk a little bit about how we can support so many clients with such a small staff that we have. Our ratio is very good, like top 5% of MSPs regarding the number of techs and the number of clients that we support. And the way we are able to do that is with automation. We have a lot of automation in place. And one of the things, the question that I get when we do assessments is, hey, how can you guys do so many assessments so quickly? So what we do is we do our assessments using multiple tools. Like we use our remote management software, we use our actual assessment software. And today I'm going to talk a little bit about one of the softwares that a lot of MSPs use. It's made by Rapid Fire Tools, which is now a Kaseya company. And it's called Network Detective. So typically in Network Detective, you have to log into each machine, you have to deploy the agent, you have to do all this. That takes a lot of time. What we do is we simply go into our remote management software, we choose the type of scan that we want to do, we select the machines, and then we can either schedule or run that command right away. So basically, if I click run now, it will run the scan right now, and that's basically collecting the data for the assessment. So once we have this data collected, it automatically creates the assessment. So all we have to do is choose the type of scan we want to do, choose the machines, and click run now, and everything else is taken care of. So basically this RMM system, the remote management system, will scan each one of the machines in question. It will push the data into a cloud repository. Network Detective will pull that data from the cloud repository, create the appropriate reports for the customer. Usually it's either quarterly or annual reports, and automatically generate the reports and send an email to the client. That's part of our package. Like our TechRes customers, they get this as part of the package. There is no additional cost to this. The reason there is no additional cost is because it's all automated on our side. And yes, we did have to spend some time to automate these things, but the thing about automation is once it's in place, then you don't have to worry about it unless you need to add some features or do something different. That's how we're able to manage over 1,000 nodes by just having a few techs on the back end. And that's how we're able to do a lot of things, is we try to automate as much as we can. A lot of our tools that we use in there, like, for example, here we have our RMM, which is VSA. All these tools, we have good agreements with our upstream vendors. And a lot of times we can even involve them in some of this custom development stuff that we do. So hopefully if you are starting out as an MSP, this will help you out. The name of the game is automation. If you can automate it, do that now. And a lot of times people think, well, I don't want to automate it just now because we're small, and as we grow, we'll automate things. The problem is, how will you grow if you cannot automate now, or if you do not automate now? So in other words, the automation is going to allow you to scale. That's how we look at things. We've always focused on automating things, and that's what we do well. If it helps you out, give us a thumbs up. Go ahead and subscribe. If you want more content like this, which is more MSP focused and large enterprise IT department focused, I can make more videos around this. This is just a little glimpse into how we do things, and just one of the pieces of the puzzle that we use. And you don't have to use Network Detective or Kaseya VSA. You could have any tool out there. The thing is, the trick is in the automation. So whatever tool you have, make sure you automate as much as you can. Until next time, everybody, have a great day and be safe.